So today we're going to put new rubbers on our closing wheels. We got the old school aluminum cast ones. This works for the plastic ones too, but the key is all day if I was at work, I put the rubber wheels in the car. It's nice and hot. So we'll get that out and we'll take it over the bench. I'll show you how to do it. So we got two aluminum halves here. We already cleaned up like the bearing surface, and the key is to take a wire wheel on this. It gets pretty nasty at times, and make sure they're not, sometimes they wear here pretty bad. So anyway, these are ready to go. We attempted to do that this winter, but we tried to heat it up with the wood burner, stretch it with a chain. This process doesn't take any stretching, so like I said, we got them out of the car, left them in there all day. Put some anti-seize on the bearing before I put it in there. Two dissimilar metals, you always want to put anti-seize on it. Plus it'll be easier to get apart next time you do it. So I'm just using the regular Phillips screws. I'll put some on there. Don't need a lot. So I got this one down here with the bearing, so I'll just start it on this side. And it's not too bad. I get one side started. Like I said, I'm doing this by myself, and it's not bad. You start stretching it. Like I said, it's not hot to the handle, but it's warm. So just stretch it and push it in the groove. There, like that. So the key next is, this is just Ideal. It's for pulling wires. You can get it from any like home improvement store for like around 10 bucks, if less, something like that. So I'm gonna lube up this side here. You ain't gotta get crazy, but make sure it's all covered there. So now that's on there. Get our other half here, and I'm going to line these holes up. So what I've been doing is getting them close. Use my flashlight to make sure the hole's there. Once I get her close, just put a little pressure on it, and I'm going to stick it in the vise right here. So I'll put these two holes on either side of the vise here, start smashing her a little bit, put some pressure on it, and start pulling this out. So you get room to close up a little bit, go a little bit more. So I'll just start these screws. Just put a little bit of pressure on it, we'll work our way around getting that out. See it starting to seat down up here. You pull it out, and again, just push it out like that, and then tighten it. Snug, and then of course put the screws in the back side. As you see, the wheel's already seated everywhere. These just snugging them up. And there you have it. And you can see a little bit of the gel coming out, but it's seated all the way around. Another fellow on YouTube, I'm not dogging his video, but they did it within minutes, but there was like 10 people. One guy heating it up on the grill, one guy stretching out with the jack, and then he banged it. You see, I did this completely by myself within minutes. The key is the heat and letting the rubber set all day.